Deep within the impenetrable jungles and mysterious swampy areas of the African Congo, creatures hide that we can only imagine. Here, amidst the dense vegetation, amazing life comes to life, blending grandeur with unseen forms. The Congo is home to the largest and most unusual animals on the planet. It's here that you can encounter giant snakes, spiders, and even monkeys that amaze with their intelligence. On our journey through this mysterious land, we will come into contact with the lives of amazing creatures. Are you ready to step into this unknown world? Then let's go. Jaboi. The Jaboi is a spider that resembles a tarantula or a bird-eating spider with a brownish body color and a leg span of about 5 feet or 1.5 meters. The eggs it lays are pale, yellow-white, and shaped like peanuts. Aborigines claimed that the spider's babies are bright yellow with purple bellies. Their coloring becomes darker and brown as they mature. Hunting method. Jaboi dig tunnels under tree roots and line them with large amounts of leaves, which helps with camouflage. Then they weave an almost invisible web between their burrow and a nearby tree, creating a signaling system. When any animal passes by and gets caught in the web, it sticks to it. Through the vibrations transmitted through the web, the spider knows that potential prey is nearby and crawls out. When any animal passes by and gets caught in the net, it gets stuck to it. Through the vibrations transmitted through the web, the spider knows that potential prey is nearby and crawls out. After that, the Jaboi lunges at its prey and kills it with venom. Giant snake. In 1959, Belgian pilot Remy van Leeder flew over the Congo jungles, unaware he'd return with a story and a mystery sparking international debate. While flying, he saw something astonishing, a 50-foot snake, over 15 meters, among the trees. His photograph drew global scientific attention. A snake, reaching a length of 50 feet, just over 15 meters, wriggling among the trees. The photograph he took soon became the focus of attention among world scientists. They argued about the authenticity of the photo and the possibility of the existence of such a giant snake. Waterfalls and rivers here exist in perfect harmony, providing a home to a variety of animals, from elephants and gorillas to venomous snakes and exotic birds. However, no further research has confirmed its existence. Remy snakes, and soon she became just a legend of the jungle. But the memory of this incident continues to inspire researchers and adventurers to try to uncover the secrets of those very tangled paths. The Congo Trail of Billy. Billy monkeys have a unique social structure. They demonstrate ways of communication and cooperation that have not been recorded in other primates. They are named after the Billy tribe, in honor of which they are named, and the area where they were first discovered. Scientists struggle to believe that there was an entire population of such unique monkeys hidden in such inaccessible forests. The body length of a Billy monkey is about 1.5 feet or 50 centimeters. Their tails can reach up to 2 feet or 70 centimeters. They have dark fur. Long fingers and claws grip trees. And especially stand out are the long fingers and claws, which help them to confidently hold on to trees. Their tails play an important role in balance and help them climb trees. Monkeys were social animals that lived in groups. Their communities can have up to 30 individuals. Despite their large numbers, they lead a pretty peaceful way of life. They communicate with each other using various sounds, gestures, and facial expressions. In these groups, a strict hierarchy reigns. The older individuals make the decisions, while the younger ones follow them, protecting their young. But despite this structure, communication among group members is always friendly. Monkeys love to play with each other and often groom one another, cleaning their fur and helping to maintain relationships within the group. Billy monkeys feed on fruits, leaves, seeds, and sometimes insects. The existence of Billy monkeys is threatened by human activity. Deforestation, poaching, and illegal wildlife trade are becoming the main reasons for the decline in their numbers. However, there is some good news. In recent years, conservation efforts in Congo have been gaining momentum. Ecologists and scientists are working on creating reserves and protected areas. where billy monkeys can live safely. Okapi. The okapi is one of the few animals that remained unknown to science until the early 20th century. It was only discovered in 1901, and since then it has become a real mystery for zoologists. On the outside, the okapi resembles a giraffe, but with a short neck and a completely unique coloring. Its body is dark brown or black, while its hind legs are adorned with stripes that resemble those of a zebra. The okapi is not just a beautiful animal. It's a master of camouflage. The stripes on its legs help it blend in with the shady forests, protecting it from predators. But okapi's tongue is about 1 foot to 30 centimeters long. Allows it to pull leaves from tall trees, thereby avoiding competition with other herbivores. The okapi prefers dense forests along rivers and swamps where it can find food and shelter from predators, such as lions or hyenas. He leads a solitary life and spends most of his time hiding in the shadows. It's mainly active during twilight and at night. This animal is quiet and cautious. It avoids people and often just freezes as soon as it senses danger. This helps it remain unnoticed in the thick vegetation. This helps it remain unnoticed in the thick vegetation. The okapi is a herbivorous animal. It prefers to feed on leaves, fruits, bark, and tree shoots that grow in the forests. Despite its elusive nature, the okapi is currently threatened with extinction. The destruction of forests, hunting, and poaching are the main issues facing this unique species. According to experts, the population of okapis is declining. Deforestation, hunting, and poaching are the main issues facing this unique species. According to experts, the population of okapis is declining, and now it is listed in the Red Book. However, okapis are still protected in the Okapi National Park in Congo, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Thanks to the efforts of scientists and conservationists, these animals are managing to survive amid increasing threats. Tangramota. Kangramato is a creature that resembles a flying reptile from African legends. Cryptozoology enthusiasts believe that it lives in the Mwinelumbia area in the Jindu swamps of western Zambia, Angola, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. It's also sometimes considered a pterosaur that has survived to the present day. Local residents describe the kangramato as a bird that looks like a lizard with leathery wings, similar to a bat. Its beak is equipped with venomous teeth, and its skin is smooth and bare. The size of the creature is reported to range from 3 to 6.5 feet, or about 1.2 meters to 2.15 meters. There's no actual proof of the kangramato's existence. Only various people, both locals and European visitors, testify about it. Locals say that the kangramato attacks boats from the air as they move along rivers and swamps. The creature also hunts for fish. Large bats. Congo. This is home to several species of large bats, like the giant flying fox or fruit bat, which can have a wingspan of 4 feet to about 1.5 meters. These nocturnal predators not only amaze with their size, but also with their abilities. These animals can easily maneuver through dense forests, avoiding obstacles and quickly finding their prey. In addition, their heightened senses, like their large eyes and highly developed hearing receptors, play a key role in their nighttime life. Their large eyes help them navigate in low light conditions. But the most important tool for hunting is echolocation. The ability to emit ultrasonic signals that bounce off objects and help accurately determine the location of prey. It's amazing, but they actively help control the insect population, eating up to 1,000 insects in a single night. Some bats are also fruit eaters, feeding on tree fruits and spreading seeds, thus helping with plant distribution. In the jungle, this makes them not just predators, but also important partners in the process of restoring the ecosystem. Mamba. Mamba resembles a regular crocodile, but it's much longer, ranging from 40 to 50 feet, or about 12 to 15 meters. According to some reports, an individual can reach lengths of over 50 feet. It's reported that it has attacked rafts and canoes, devouring people. Its jaws can easily crush the flesh of its prey. and its huge paws and tail allow it to move quickly both on water and on land. Like other crocodiles, the Mamba is a carnivorous predator. Its diet includes fish, waterfowl, and mammals near water. It hides underwater, holding its breath, and attacks prey with powerful jaws. In legends, the Mamba can come ashore, chasing prey on land, attacking those too close to its waters. This ability makes it more dangerous, attacking those who dare to get too close to its waters. This ability makes it even more dangerous. The Congolese blunt-nosed crocodile. The Congolese blunt-nosed crocodile is a species that was first spotted and described in the 20th century. This is one of the most unusual members of the crocodile family, and its name perfectly reflects the features of its appearance. As you might have guessed, its blunt snout. This is one of the main features that sets it apart from others. At first glance, its skull looks a bit flattened, and its jaws are wide and flat, like some species that specialize in eating soft, easily crushable objects, such as fish. This gives this crocodile a unique advantage in its natural environment. Its disproportionately wide snout helps it hold onto its prey and hunt in murky waters, rivers and lakes, where many other predators lose their sense of direction. Strong jaws and powerful limbs make it a dangerous predator. However, compared to the previous crocodile, the blunt-nosed crocodile isn't very big. It can grow up to 13 feet long. Goliath beetles. The Goliath beetle is the largest and strongest beetle on the planet. The body length of the males ranges from 0.23 to 0.35 feet, which is about 70 to 108 millimeters. The length of the females ranges from 0.16 to 0.26 feet, which is about 50 to 80 millimeters. They are probably the heaviest beetles in the world. The weight, according to various sources, ranges from 1.1 pounds to 2.1 pounds. During the day, the beetles are actively flying around and spend most of their time in the treetops. They rarely come down to earth. They feed on the sap flowing from trees and overripe fruits. The lifespan of a beetle is about 6 months. The mysterious inhabitants of the Congo reveal to us an amazing world, full of unique creatures. The rich nature of Africa holds not only beauty but also danger. In this video, I showed what amazing creatures inhabit the Congo. What surprised you the most? I have an interesting proposal for you. You have a unique opportunity to become part of our team. If you have video editing skills, you can voice over videos in Russian, English, and other languages. Or do you write interesting scripts? We would be happy to work with you. Message our Telegram bot. The link is in the description. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.